In the previous tutorial, we looked at setting up 1D plan using the steady flow editor. In this tutorial, we are going to edit the bank stations. We want to edit the bank stations close to the transition zone between the channel and the overbank so we can account for increase the sensitivity and accumulate more flow within the direction. So to do that, basically need to show that if we move the bank station, we want to target locations around the transition areas. But where the bank stations are close, we can leave those, like these locations. Or where the bank stations are far away, we can bring them closer to the stream center line so we can increase sensitivity. So let's do that. To edit the bank station, you can click on the cross sections, right click and hit data editor, cross section editor, and we can go ahead and edit it. So we need to use the graphic editor. So I'm gonna hit graphic editor, and we can select the this is the bank station button, and I can move this bank station to this location and move the other to this location. If I want to set a point, I can add elevation point here, and I can move the second bank station here to be consistent. And you can see the point is in between. And this is exactly what we wanted to show, that our point can be in between. So using my laser, we can see that the points can definitely be moved. And we can also see the same point here is been moved. So with this in mind, we can pick the next one. Edit the cross section. We want to move it closer to the bank line, so I need to graphical. We want to have a point here. So I'm going to add a station point here, and I'm going to move the bank station and put it here. And you can see closer, so we can do the same. We have point, we don't have a point. So I'm going to add elevation point here. Two bank stations. Here it goes. Here it goes. And put this one. Here. So we can do this. The same graphic editor. We have to assign points. Assign elevation points. So that's fine. We also need to edit this. we can see if these are adjusted. I think this is fine. And this is fine. And this looks fine as well. So we have edited the bank stations. So what we need to do is to close. We have to save geometry data. We can close, save. We can hit run. So this is where we go. So we can go back and save. Run. What we need to do is open back the cross sections. We can see if it changes. So this is how we prepare to insert our bridge. We have been able to edit the bank station. So in the next video, we are going to look at the ineffective flow areas. Then after that, we can insert our bridge and do other bridge modifications. So I'll see you in the next video.